Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accounts and Finance with FARSK. This is our video on the Letter of Credit LC Part 5. Hope you will like, share and special request to all to don't forget to subscribe our channel. Letter of Credit LC Part 5. Special Types 1. Transferable letter of credit. A transferable letter of credit allows the beneficiary to act as middleman and transfer his rights under an LC to another party or parties who may be supplier of the goods. Also, depending on whether the letter of credit permits partial shipments, part of the LC amount may be transferred to more than one beneficiary. The LC, however, can be transferred only once. These second beneficiaries cannot transfer their rights to the third party. Transfer of LC can be made on specific application by the original beneficiary to the authorized transferring bank. To be transferable, the LC application must be so marked by the applicant and the issuing bank. The applicant should be aware that any second beneficiary, the probable supplier, is usually a party not likely known to the applicant. The terms and conditions of the transferred letter of credit must be identical to those of the original LC with the following exceptions. The original beneficiary may be shown as the applicant on the transfer credit. The amount of the letter of credit and unit prices, if any, may be less than in the original letter of credit. The difference being the original beneficiary's profit margin and the latest shipment date, if any, and expiry date as shown on the original letter of credit should be shortened. The percentage of insurance coverage, if any, should be increased to satisfy the requirements of the original letter of credit, and of course, when a drawing takes place, the original beneficiary normally substitutes his invoices for those of the second beneficiary for up to the amount and unit prices available under the original letter of credit and draws the difference as a profit. Back-to-back letter of credit. Although not recorded on a letter of credit, back-to-back is a term used in transactions involving two irrevocable letters of credit, that's LC. Such transactions originate when a seller receives a letter of credit covering goods which must be obtained from a third party who in turn requires a letter of credit. The second issuing bank looks to the first issuing bank for reimbursements after paying under the second letter of credit. The difference between back-to-back LC and transferable LC is such that in a transferable LC, the rights under the existing LC are transferred. In a back-to-back transaction, different LCs are actually issued because technical problems can arise in back-to-back transactions. Banks tend to discourage their use. Deferred payment letter of credit. Under a deferred payment letter of credit, the applicant does not pay until a future date determined in accordance with the terms of the letter of credit. No drafts are called for, which avoids stamp duties charged by some countries on bills of exchange, that is drafts. One reason an exporter might extend credit terms to an importer could be the competitiveness of the market and the need for the exporter to finance the importer if the exporter is to make the sale. Well, that's it for today. Hope you like our video. For more videos, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel Accounts and Finance with FARSK.